Ardeer Thistle Football Club are a Scottish football club from Stevenston in North Ayrshire. Formed as a juvenile club in 1900, they moved up to the juniors in season 1902-03 and are based at Ardeer Stadium. Nicknamed the Thistle, they compete in the West of Scotland League Conference B and players wear red and white home kits and sky blue changed strips. Ayrshire District League runners-up, 2013-14. Western League winners, 1924-25. 1959-60. Ayrshire Second Division winners, 1991-92. Ayrshire Junior Cup winners, 1924-25, 1925-26, 1959-60, 1965-66. Western League Cup winners, 1925-26, 1959-60, 1960-61. Irvine District Cup winners, 1906-07, 1907-08, 1908-09, 1915-16, 1925-26, 1961-62, 1962-63. Andy Auld, 1919-1921,